spoon. This is going to be kind of nice. So I am doubling my recipe because I'm doing a lot of buttercream. So we're using 11 cups. So we need to count. Yeah, we need to count. Yep, that's what will happen. Okay, so there's a half. Not quite yet, Lou. And there's another half. So there's one. Oh, yeah, thank you. Okay, Lukey, do you want to put it in? Mindy, do put it in. Not Lukey, Mindy. Okay. 2. I know. 3. Yeah, we did 2, and now we did 3. Yep.
3.
3.
I'm 3.
You are 3, Maddie. Okay, here's 4. 4. Yeah, we did 3.
Oh.
5.
If you put in too much,
Yeah, the baby knows if I might put in too much.
No.
And here's 6. We'll do 2 6s.
I said
because
too
it's
much
not
in
quite
here.
full. Yeah. You want to help me tap it? Yeah, let me do it. Okay. All right. Should we turn it on? Oh. Help me. Yeah. Lukey. Okay. Yeah. We'll do it slow, okay? Yeah, slow. 1. Let's let it go for a minute. It's going to make a mess if you go fast. 2. Oh, it's getting faster. I know. It's a mess.
More?
Yeah, we'll do more.
More?
Yep, Lukey can do it. Yay! Yay! I know it's so fast. Okay. Yeah, now we'll turn it down. And we'll put in more. Oh, that is beautiful buttercream. Gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Lukey. Scraping down the sides. Oh, what a helper. Tap, tap, tap.
You are a professional.
Yay, good job. Lukey did it. 1. Yeah, Lukey's great.
Is it back?
Yep. 2.
2.
2. What comes next? 3.
And more.
There's more. 3. Okay. 4. Yeah, Mindy's doing it. I know. Yeah. 5. And here's another scoop for awesomeness. Okay, Lou. Yeah, Mindy did all the scoops. Now we're going to do that. Okay, go slow. Yeah, slow. This is making the most buttercream I've ever seen. Like a bakery store. Oh, I know, it's a mess. Yep. Okay. We'll turn it down. Oh, now it's going to this side. Okay, Lukey. Up more. That was smooth? Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to put in some milk. Milk? Yeah, milk. I think a 1/4 cup, so I'm going to get a measuring cup. Yep, sweetie, I will do it. Minnie will
He's
do
gonna
it.
push it down and tap.
Oh, thank you, Lukey. Oh, thank you. Scrape the sides, huh? Scrape the sides. Okay. Yeah, let's put in some of this. I've got the biggest measuring cup that would never fit.
Milk in it.
Yeah, some milk in it. Yeah, we're going to put some more milk in it.